The Chinese government places a priority on investing in renewable energy primarily as it enables the country to tackle problems of air and water pollution and mitigate risks of socio-economic instability. Reducing air pollution is a direct reason why the Chinese government promotes renewable energy. The 2005 National People's Congress's Environmental Committee observed that fossil fuel energy production and consumption is the cause of 90% of the country's sulfur dioxide emissions. In 2013, Tsinghua University and the Asian Development Bank reported that 7 out of the 10 most polluted cities in the world are in China. Studies also point to climate change as a contributor to China's aggravating smog crises. Rand Corporation estimated that air pollution in 2012 cost China $535 billion, 6.5% of its gross domestic product, due to losses in labor productivity. UC Berkeley study concluded that air pollution led to an estimated 1.6 million deaths a year, roughly 17% of all deaths in the country. A University of Chicago report found that suspended particulates is causing 500 million residents in northern China to lose an average of 5 years of life expectancy. It is hardly a surprise, therefore, to see air pollution ranked as a top concern for people in the country. A 2015 Pew poll found that air pollution is considered the second largest problem for residents in China behind government corruption. Respondents are very pessimistic about the prospects for air quality improvements. 34% of respondents believe that air pollution will worsen in the next 5 years. Chen Jiping, a former member of the Communist Party's committee, said in 2013 that environmental issues are a major reason for mass protests. As maintaining domestic stability is the Communist Party's top priority, they have highlighted the need to combat air pollution by developing cleaner sources of energy.